Mabuhay! I am John Lloyd Alvarez and I am presenting my community project proposal entitled Project Alab, Active Lifestyle and Better Health Program. So let me start with a simple observation. In today's generation, many students and even community members are becoming increasingly physically inactive. This is mainly due to excessive screen time, academic pressure, and lack of accessible physical activity programs. Because of this, many individuals experience fatigue, stress, poor physical fitness, and decreased overall well being. These issues not only affect their health but also their academic performance and daily productivity. This situation highlights the need for a community based program that promotes active lifestyle and health awareness. That is why this project was developed to encourage everyone and individuals to become more physically active through simple, engaging, and sustainable activities. So let's move for the objectives. So the main purpose of the Project Alag is to promote an active lifestyle and improve the overall health and well-being of the students and community members. Specifically, this project aims to increase participation in physical activities, improve knowledge about health, fitness, and proper nutrition, and encourage individuals to develop consistent exercise habits. In addition, it aims to promote positive attitudes toward physical activity and support not only physical health but also mental and well being. The target beneficiaries of this project include students and community members, particularly those who have low levels of physical activity or limited access to health programs. And also, the SDG alignment. This project also aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We have two SDG alignment. First, it supports SDG number 3 or good health and well-being by promoting regular physical active and encouraging healthier lifestyle choices. Second, it aligns with SDG number 4 or quality education by providing health education and increasing awareness about the importance of fitness and wellness. Through this initiative, we are not only addressing local community but also contributing a broader and global health and education goals. For the PE practitioner's perspective, as a future physical education educator, I strongly believe that the health is not just something we teach, it is something we practice and live every day. Physical education plays a vital role in a developing physical literacy, building confidence in movement, and encouraging lifelong participation in physical activities. Through this project, participants will engage in weekly physical activities, group exercises, and health education sessions that promote active participation and real-life application. This proposal reflects the true essence of physical education, which is to develop individuals holistically, physically, mentally, and socially. It also extends learning beyond the classroom and into community, where real impact can be seen and felt. At the end of this project, we expect to see increased levels of physical activity, improved awareness of health and wellness, and the development of positive and sustainable lifestyle habits among participants. In conclusion, Project Alab is a feasible, relevant, and impactful initiative that addresses a real and pressing need in the community. It promotes health, supports education, and encourages long-term behavioral change. I am confidently asking for your support and approval to implement this project because of building a healthier community starts taking action today. Thank you.